Understanding the impact of different types of carbohydrates on insulin levels is essential for managing energy levels, appetite, and overall health. Here's a breakdown of quick-action versus slow-release carbohydrates and their effects on insulin. Quick-action carbs characteristics, also known as high glycemic or simple carbohydrates, rapidly digested and absorbed into the bloodstream, cause a swift and significant increase in blood sugar levels. Examples include sugary foods and drinks, for example, candy, soda, fruit juice, white bread, pasta, and rice. Pastries and baked goods. What is the impact on insulin? 1. Quick-action carbs lead to sharp spikes in blood sugar levels. The pancreas responds by releasing a large amount of insulin to lower the blood sugar. 3. These spikes can lead to a cycle of high and low blood sugar levels, potentially increasing appetite and cravings. Slow-release carbs characteristics, also known as low glycemic or complex carbohydrates, digested and absorbed more slowly, leading to a gradual increase in blood sugar levels. Examples include whole grains, for example, brown rice, quinoa, whole oats. Legumes, for example, beans, lentils, vegetables, for example, sweet potatoes, leafy greens. Most fruits, for example, apples, berries, oranges. What is the impact on insulin? Slow-release carbs lead to a gradual rise in blood sugar. This moderate increase prompts a more controlled release of insulin, helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, reducing the likelihood of cravings and overeating. How can we control insulin spikes? Here are some 5 strategies that help. Point 1. Choose low glycemic foods. Focus on incorporating slow-release carbs into your diet to maintain steady blood sugar and insulin levels. 2. Balance meals. Combine carbohydrates with protein, healthy fats, and fiber to slow digestion and absorption, further stabilizing blood sugar. 3. Portion control. Monitor portion sizes of high glycemic foods if consumed, pairing them with low glycemic options. 4. Regular meals. Eat at regular intervals to avoid blood sugar lows that can lead to overcompensation with quick-action carbs. 5. Physical activity. Regular exercise improves insulin sensitivity, helping the body manage blood sugar levels more effectively. By understanding the differences between quick-action and slow-release carbs and making informed dietary choices, you can better manage insulin spikes and support overall metabolic health.